Hello, we're live.
Hey, we're live? Oh my gosh.
Yes, and we're celebrating Pride
Pride
Month.
Month.
As you can see, my beautiful handwriting.
Yes.
So last time that we were making a game together, we decided to make a temple run game, right?
Yeah.
And because it's Pride Month, we wanted to do something different. And I mean, we've done it before, but we never done like a temple run version of a rainbow game.
Yeah.
So so today we're gonna continue the what we did 2 weeks ago. I think it was 2 weeks ago, right?
Yeah,
Like
it
I
was
don't know,
2 weeks
time
ago.
time just flies. I don't know. And then if you guys are feeling lost, make sure that you click on the link below and just rewatch the video before this one. All right. So yeah. So also today I'm gonna be having my lunch while I'm doing live stream with you guys, and my lunch is like snacks, So I have I'm gonna be eating. No, this is not nothing of this is a commercial. It's not sponsored. This is like some Brazilian nuts that I'm gonna be eating today,
Yum.
and some like more nuts. But
Lots
this
of
is Canadian.
nuts.
This is Canadian. And then we have like all the office like snacks, like some granola bars and a beautiful Turkish sweets that maybe you can help me pick after.
Oh, yes.
And it's all the unhealthy stuff, but it's okay. Like it's Friday, so we can do this. Um, so we also have really big news too, guys. We have the new update. This is amazing because literally last stream that we did, we were just talking about this new update, and then now we have another new update. So, do you want to
Yes.
talk about the new features? Like just like summary, general. It doesn't need to be too detailed, but like, do you want to share some?
Okay.
Yes.
I've added a new behavior called Start Trail, and this allows you to make trails for objects, which is really cool. Clarissa really wanted to do this one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is like I feel like you added this one just for the Pride month, so I'm excited
Yeah.
to try this.
There's
Yeah.
also lots of bug fixes in this update, lots of user interface improvements, stuff like
Yes.
that.
Nice, 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 nice. And feel free to ask questions, guys. Like while we're live here, make sure that you ask questions and talk to us, and we can answer your questions. And maybe if you have suggestions for what to do next for new tutorials, let us know too. So I'm gonna be sharing my screen with you guys, just so if you if you didn't know what we built, like this is kind of like the app that we're building, the game that we're building. So it's nothing too fancy, but this is a tutorial, so we're here to learn. So what did we do? Let's play and see what we left things off. So
Okay.
so oh Oh, so it's like you see the scores and then you're getting the bubble tea. I told you that last time when we do this stream, I would get a bubble tea, but I didn't have time to get a bubble tea.
I
Next
completely
time,
forgot.
we forgot to get bubble tea. But yeah, so this is like the game that we're doing. Like, sorry, I cannot turn down my screen because it's on iPad mode. So but yeah, so essentially, and we talk about like what we're gonna do today. So Axel, do you want to like talk to us like some of your ideas for what should we teach you guys today?
So I'm thinking of doing obstacles and more items, and also using this new trail that we've added in this update.
I'm so excited. Sounds good.
Yes.
Sounds
Yes.
good because we do need obstacles, right? Like when you guys are thinking about game development, game design, like you were talking to me about this today, right? Like you have to think about the elements, like just the sound. How are you gonna make the game sound? What is gonna be the story of your game, right? Like I don't know.
Yeah.
you're you have more experience in this, so
But we're just doing a little fun
yeah.
game for Pride Month.
Yeah. All right. So should we start with the obstacles first, or should we do the cool feature that, or
Okay,
we do this
let's
later?
start. Let's start the obstacle first. The
Yeah.
obstacle is harder to do than the trail, actually.
Okay, okay. Fair enough. For that, we do need some enemies, right? Or like,
Yeah.
hmm this time I didn't separate like enemies, so we're gonna get have to go to assets, get assets. Do you have any ideas for enemies? What would be an enemy of a rainbow,
I don't
of a
know.
frog?
It will be it have to be something not colorful,
Yeah,
right? Yeah.
I'm gonna just download a bunch of platforms and then see what works best because I don't remember, like my memory is like I can't remember anything like not colorful from the assets part. Get assets. Well, there's the October one, so if we want to be spooky,
Okay. Okay.
we can download the October one. Oops, did I download it? No, I didn't. Voice over? No. Close. So, for those who doesn't know, guys, you can, if you don't have like art ready, you can go to the HyperPad shop and get free assets.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can.
And then this one is from October 2020. Wow, it was a while ago. So let's see. I'm just gonna download a bunch, so just so we have options. Um, in meantime, if you guys have like anything to share, like in terms of like what you want, let me know. Um, let's see. Board games pack. I'm gonna download this just for fun. Have you ever like play with those? I never done play with those before. So
No, not really.
okay. So Halloween package. We have the zombie. The zombie's still colorful. Maybe like a ghost. There's a
Ghost.
bat.
Bad. I don't know. It's kind of your choice. I really don't know what to do for the like. I
No,
don't know what
your
to put as
opinion.
the obstacle.
Your opinion matters. Okay. Wow. This is more like for board games, I guess, literally. That's why it's called the board game package. No, this is not the one that I like. Oh, I think that because we're making a super colorful game, we can choose like the ghost because the ghost is like more like plain, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah,
Right? It's less colorful.
yeah. I like that. I
Um,
like that.
okay, so let's do the ghost. The ghost will be the haters. Nothing against ghosts, they're cute, by the way, but for this game. Okay, so we put the ghost here. I also like it because it's like because our background is super colorful. It does kind of balance out, right?
Yeah.
We can
Actually, I got an
also
idea.
yeah.
You can duplicate the Bobo tea and replace it with the ghost,
Oh,
so you don't have to write the behaviors again, right?
okay, yeah. So we duplicate. That's a good idea. I'm gonna. Oh my
So
god,
yeah, you
guys!
can just remove that. You can just skip those,
Okay. So then duplicate the bubble,
and
and
then you
then
can
I.
just replace it with the ghost.
Oh,
Awesome.
guys! I just learned something.
Yeah,
I didn't know you could do that. Okay, that's
yeah,
fun.
and if you go to the behaviors, it will duplicate all the behaviors too, which
Oh
is why
wow.
I wanted you to do that.
Nice. Okay, so I go to behaviors.
Yeah, and you can see, oh, yeah, and you can see how it duplicated the behaviors. And in this one, instead of adding to score, we can make it do a game over thing.
Game over. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
I
we
remember
have to
that one.
design a game over screen.
Game over. We don't have one. Like.
Yeah, we don't have
Um,
we can design our own game over screen. So
okay.
we should probably do that first.
Yeah. Let's do that one.
Okay, so
Mhm.
let's go back to the scene. And to do
Oh.
an overlay,
Mhm.
like any overlay, we tap on the three bars on the top left.
Yeah, and then you put scenes.
Yeah.
Add scenes.
And actually no, you want to do an overlay because it's gonna go on top of the
Oh,
scene.
true. True. Scene overlays. An overlay is a special scene with a transparent background placed over your running scene. Okay.
Yeah, that's what that is.
Game over. Pause menu overlays are added for you. This preloaded with your main scene. Oh, okay, nice. Okay,
Yeah, so
so
there's
we're
already a template game over screen overlay that you can borrow, and that's what it
oh,
looks like.
it looks like kind of like Boring.
Yeah, and that's why it's a template. You can
Yeah.
improve upon it.
Yeah. Let's make it fun then. Let's see the background. Do we have like fun backgrounds? Let's see. Let's see if I have like no, not the assets one. I let's see if I have something on my camera roll. No. Import. Uh,
It says you can't import it while you're changing the
oh.
background.
Mm,
So you have to just
mm.
exit out of that background.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, and
okay.
now you can try to import your assets.
Okay.
Oh, unless it doesn't work in overlays. That's
Maybe.
interesting.
Let's try changing the color then at least. Maybe the changing color will work. Yeah,
Yeah, you
that
can
works.
change the color of it.
Mhm. Let's do like pink, light pink.
Okay, okay.
Oh my god, this is
Ooh.
this is too Barbie. The game over can be like maybe white or black. Ah, this is so fun. I love it. Is it hurting your eyes?
Nah, not too much.
Okay.
Maybe we can change the font.
Yeah, let's do
So
that.
we haven't done this on the stream yet, but we can download custom fonts to use for this. So let's go to the assets
Hmm.
and press on import. Oh wait, it doesn't work on overlays. We have to go to the scene to a scene first.
But do you have like fonts? Because I don't have fonts downloaded. So
There's already ones that are pre-made for you.
yay, great.
Oh wait,
Oops.
why'd you? Sound like an
Technical
effects.
difficulties. Backing up, backing up. So I was updating my iPad because we have a new version 1.37. And then while I was updating it, I saw like two icons on my iPad, and one of them had the icon of the old iPad, the old like rocket, and then the new rocket.
Yeah.
And then I got confused. And then I thought that the old rocket was the hyperpad viewer, so I deleted. But then I ended up deleting all of. I Oh my gosh, I deleted my hyperpad like app, and I was so sad because then our ex was like, "Did you back up your game?" And I'm like, "What? There is an option for that?" Like, and then we were a little bit desperate because we thought that like I thought that I lost my project, but everything was fine. Thank God that hyperpad already have the
Yeah.
automatic backup. Thank God. For you guys that didn't know, when you make your projects, it automatically is backup. It's saved, so you don't have to worry about pressing a button.
Yes.
All right, so we go to the scene one, and
Okay,
then
now we can try to import our fonts.
okay,
So press
import
import and press fonts at the bottom,
fonts. Okay.
and then press import TTF. There's
Mm-hmm.
a there's two different font types that we can use. We're using TTF, so
Okay,
let's click on that and click system fonts. And there are like hundreds. There are hundreds of fonts that you can use.
guys, this is so cool. Wow, our game is gonna be cool. So let's choose a very funky font because we want to be like fun, or maybe a sad one because it's game over.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. But we can import multiple. So
That
some
is
good
so
fonts and
cool.
some bad fonts maybe. I don't know.
Yeah. So if you have anything in mind, let me know. I like this one, Market Felt Wide. I like that one. Done. Can I select multiple fonts, or I
Yeah,
have
you
to
can
do?
select multiple at once.
Ooh,
Yeah,
why didn't I
cool.
know that? Okay,
This
system
is it.
fonts. Okay, so if I want to select, like for example, this one, this. Oh yay! Okay, that makes my life easier, Larissa. Okay, I like this one. I'm gonna get the semi bold, condensed bold. Which one do you like? What's your favorite font?
I don't have a favorite font. I don't know. Just use anything.
Yeah, fair enough. Everything that matches the mood. I like this
There's
one.
literally hundreds of fonts.
Guys, this is like so cool. Like this is I'm gonna like put it on the description of this tutorial how to do the fonts in Hyperpad. This is like very helpful. Also for the designers out there. Today I'm using my Apple Pencil. So like I'm excited for this.
So many fonts.
Wow. I'm gonna get this one, the thin as well, because I got the thick one, I think. Oh, wow. Hyperpad is awesome. I love it. Okay. I think I
These are
selected.
just like these are just like the fonts that are like already on the system, but you can import anyone, like any font, like you can download from the internet. So
Yeah. So if you guys are
yeah,
not happy with the thousands of fonts or that we have here, then you can upload your own. So
yeah,
you know, some people are very into this, and then they make their handwriting a font. You know, like it's crazy. Yeah.
yes.
Okay, let me try this charcoal one. This one that looks like charcoal, chardust. I'm gonna try this one. I like that one. Okay, so we go on game overlays, and then we click game over, and then I click here, and then let's change the font. Oh,
Ooh, that's
this
cool.
this looks so cool. What do you guys think? You like it? I
It's
like
kind
it.
of it's kind of playful actually, because it's
Yeah,
like someone drew that on there.
right? Okay, let's change this restart to what color should we do for this one? White as well?
Maybe I don't know.
Or like black?
Ooh, I kind of like black actually.
Yeah, black.
White, black, and pink. Interesting.
Very Barbie. The new Barbie movie is coming, by the way. I think it's
What?
already on the
A
movies. Yeah,
Barbie movie?
yeah. You didn't know?
No, I don't keep up with
Oh,
that Barbie stuff.
you gotta. It's so funny. Like I'm excited to watch that. Let's try this one. Mark the mark
Oh,
restart.
interesting.
I'm gonna try like a different one here, so just so I can see which one I feel like I
Yeah,
vibe
yeah,
with.
yeah.
I think I like the thin one better than the thick
Yeah,
one.
I kind of like that one.
Yeah, let's go for the thin one. But let's make it bigger too, because it's like pretty small, right?
Yeah,
And
you
I
can make
can
it big.
I can add like icons too here. Like for example, if I want to
Yeah,
add
you
a
can. It's like you can treat it as a hyperpad scene. Like you can literally add
really
anything on top of it.
amazing size, let's make it bigger. Oops,
You
I
can
think we
change
got.
the box to make it bigger
Oh,
if you want.
change the box.
Like you see the blue dots on the box, you can just use that to stretch it. Yeah,
Yeah,
and then you can make the font bigger.
nice.
Nice.
Oh, maybe too big.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
60. Yeah, I think 60 is a good size. Guys, this is great. Like this is this feels so nice. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you also have to make sure the boxes aren't too big because if you because you can touch that,
Oh,
right?
okay, okay. So it's
Yeah,
just like the
because maybe you want to go to the main menu, but you're tapping the restart button.
fair enough.
Wait, there's no main menu yet, so
Yeah.
that's something we can do next time.
Yes. So I think because it's like we can use this one as like, yeah, game over, bitches.
Yeah, yeah, you can do that.
All right. I'm gonna add this one bigger. Oops. Put the box here. We don't want to touch. Okay, game over.
Yep.
But I want to put the over. Yeah, I think it looks good. Oh, wait. At
There we
this
go.
point,
Yeah, yeah, that works.
okay. Do we like? It's not October yet, guys, but we're using a ghost for this.
Spooky.
Okay, I think it looks good. It looks kind of funky. It looks like something that Barbie would do, that a drag queen Barbie would do. So I like it. I'm happy
Yeah.
with this. It's nothing fancy, of course. You can make it as fancy as you want, but I think it's a good start for the stream. High
Yes,
five.
definitely.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's go into the behaviors of the restart
Okay.
text. Yeah, and you can see how it works. Go into the behaviors. Oh, yeah, you can see how it's restarting the scene. That's what that
Okay.
does.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So when you touch this button, because I already have a behavior called restart scene, then the scene will start from the beginning.
yeah,
Yeah, that
that's what
makes
that
sense.
behavior does.
Guys, this is visual coding. This is perfect for the
Yes.
visual learners. I'm a visual learner, so I'm learning. All right. So then we click on the
Um.
main menu. We don't have like a main menu yet, so
Yeah.
I guess we're not playing with this yet.
Also, one you accidentally added two characters after the restart.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Apple Pencil. I don't usually use like my Apple
Oh,
Pencil.
you're using the pencil to type?
Yeah, not to type,
Oh.
just to like do the like moving
Oh
around.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
I just want to be fancy,
Yeah,
so
yeah. I see. I see.
it's like like
Yeah.
one of those like fancy people that I don't know. I don't really use Apple Pencil as much, so I should use it more. You
Okay.
probably use more than me.
Yeah. Now we
Hmm.
can go to the scene and we
Okay,
can implement the game over screen.
scene,
Cool.
and then add like a overlays.
Oh no no. We already added the overlay. We just have to make it so that the overlay comes up when the player touches the ghost.
Okay,
So let's go to the ghost object.
this goes a bit fast, so
Yeah, and let's go into the behaviors of it.
but it's behaviors. Okay.
Yeah, and right now it's just adding to score and destroying the object. So instead of adding to score, let's delete that,
Mm-hmm.
and we can search for a new behavior called open overlay or load overlay. My bad.
Load.
Yep, there it is.
Yay. Action buttons or behaviors.
Yeah, that's just showing how the behaviors work.
Nice.
Yep,
Mm-hmm.
awesome. Now connect it, and if you click on the load overlay behavior,
Mm-hmm.
you can see you can select an overlay you want to use. So for this case, we want to use the game overlay. Yep, and that's it.
Yeah.
You can select a transition if you want. So like you can make it fade in, or you can make it move from the
Ooh.
bottom. So you can do some fancy stuff with this.
Okay, let's do like fade.
Yeah,
Okay. So we should we try and see how it works?
yeah.
Because
Let's see.
so let's press on the button play. I'm pressing on this.
Yep.
Oh, this looks so good. I love it.
Yeah.
This looks so good. Looks so.
Well, that's awesome. Actually watching on the stream.
Oh
Yeah.
yay! This is so good. I
Now if you
approve.
press restart, it should restart.
Restart. Oh okay. So my bad. I'm gonna try
Oh,
one
that's
more
okay. We
time.
can try it again.
Yeah. So
Oh,
restart. Hey, restart. Hey. I'm
hey, it
like actually
works.
getting good because like I like ran away from the enemy. So this
Okay.
looks so good.
Yay. Okay, but
High five,
here's the
Sam.
problem. Here's the problem. Um,
Because you're not here.
yeah.
RX codes. All right.
We have to fix the collisions of the ghosts. Do you remember how to
Oh,
do that from the last stream?
so the collisions. So we don't want the things to be too close, right, with the bubbles. So I click on the arrow like down, and
Yep.
then we edit the two arrows. Oh, so if you guys see, I wish I could show you with my mouse, but can I show you with my mouse?
Ooh, Yeah, I should probably add that to Hyperpad, like for it to
Yeah,
show like tabs and stuff.
yeah, that would be
I
good.
would do that. I would definitely do that.
So do you guys see the things that the delete, the red one that deletes on the top of that? On top of that, the two arrows pointing together. So we click on those. The collisions mode allow you to change the physics boundaries of an object. Okay. Okay, done. This is just explaining Hyperpad.
Oh, look, it's off.
Oh, it's totally off.
Yeah, that's why it's like okay. So we just have to fix it and make it fit.
Cool.
Oh, and here's something about like game development. Usually, you want the boundaries or the collisions to be smaller than the actual enemy. Um,
Um,
so yeah, people like usually intentionally do that, so it feels more fair.
okay. Is this
Yeah,
smaller enough?
yeah, I think
Oh,
that's small enough.
maybe I should make bigger for you guys.
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, that looks good.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Save changes. All right. Let me
Awesome.
try it one more time. This is the fun part.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Looks so pretty. This is actually the prettiest game over layer that I've done so far for Headpad, so I'm really proud of this.
Awesome.
Okay.
Now we just have to make it so that the ghost keeps spawning in.
Yeah.
Because right now that's the only obstacle you see
Yeah,
ever.
that is the only one.
Yeah, so we have to make it so the ghost spawns.
Okay. We click on
Uh,
behavior for that? Or
I
oh.
forgot where we put the
Oh, I think
behaviors
we
where we
put it
spawn
this
the
part
robot.
here.
Yeah, and that.
This behavior.
Yeah, yeah, there it is. And we can
So
have it so like we can duplicate the timer behavior.
okay.
Um, and this time you can make the timer be like a little longer. So like maybe every 3.5 seconds a ghost spawns.
Mm-hmm.
You can adjust this as you go on.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be exactly that.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can duplicate the spawn on area behavior. Yep. And then connect that. Yep. And then you can just change that to be the ghost object.
Launch boost.
Awesome.
Yee,
You're
looks
done.
good.
That was
Okay,
it.
let's practice. Let's try. Ooh.
Ooh, that was close.
Oh.
Oh
Oh.
yeah. Oh
Okay,
yeah.
I'm
Oh
gonna
yeah,
touch
that's
one
fun.
to see.
You touched
Restart.
it.
Hey. Ah, no, this one is the hardest one in the
Oh yeah,
beginning.
you can honestly you could just move that out, like out of
Yeah.
the scene. Don't
Wait.
delete it, just like move it out so it's not like
Yeah.
there when it starts.
Okay, let's see. I think it looks really okay. Let me just move a little bit this way, maybe.
Yeah, you can just move it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay! This is looking really good, guys. So we already have our enemy, um, but um, one thing that we can do too is like give him like a life one of those hearts too. Like every time that he touches the ghost, then he lose one life. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Okay, so we can make it so he has 3 lives. Is that what you're
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually not hard to do. Um
Yeah.
yeah. Let's go to
I-
the
Life
Actually, let's go
indicator.
to a different layer because this is the main layer. We want to go
Oh,
to the global UI or the scene layer. Which one did we use?
for let's see.
Okay, we used the scene UI. Okay, cool. Let's add an object. Press on
Okay.
the flask icon,
And then it's a
and you
life.
want to use the life indicator,
Yeah.
and it's already filled with hearts. See, it's 3
I
by
love it.
default.
Yes.
Yeah,
I
awesome.
like
You're almost done already.
mm-hmm. I
So
like
you can
that.
change how many lives it has. You can change how many lives per row. So you can do
Mm-hmm.
a lot of stuff with this.
The lives per roll would be like how many
Like for
lives?
example, yeah, like set it to 1 for example,
Okay.
and then press enter. You see how it's vertical? Yeah,
Oh.
and then if you put 2, it will be 2 lives per row. So let's try that.
Oh, 1020.
Yeah,
Oh
see it's like
wow.
that. So you can either
Okay.
make it like that, or you can make it however you want.
What are we feeling today?
I don't know.
I never seen like this, so I kind of like this overlay.
Yeah, I kind of like that. It's
It looks
unique. It's
yeah, it
unique.
looks cute.
Yeah.
We like it. Looks nice. I
You can
like it.
also change it to be any graphic you want too.
True. So I can click on the heart here, and then I can
Yeah.
put this one.
Oh, that's
Oh,
so big. You can
why
change
is
it.
it?
You can make it smaller.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Yeah, that's it's the color. It's
Because it was
it's
a different.
automatically set to red. Let's make it
Okay,
smaller.
definitely make it smaller. Okay, hyperpad. Shoot.
There
Oh my god, this is huge.
we go.
Oh yay! I actually like this.
Oh, the toe is actually not bad.
I was more ready than I thought I would be.
I kind of like that.
Because it's Pride Month, this is gonna be the heart.
I
It's never enough rainbows. Okay, do we like it?
I like.
Trying to put like 0 degrees.
Oh, there's a way to do that. Press on
Oh,
the transform tab. Like, do you see at the bottom where there's yeah, and then you can
mhm.
change the rotation from there.
Rotation 0.
Yep. Yeah,
Much
you
easier.
can.
I
You
was
can
like,
automatically do that.
I was like swinging,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I see. Looking good. Um, so I think that the 3 lives, it's okay. Like I think it looks aesthetically pleasing with the 3 lives.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm happy.
Yes. It's so
Looks
cool.
cute. Looks really cute. I think our game is coming along.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so let's connect this one with our frog, right? Or
Or let's go to the ghost behavior or the
the
ghost
goat?
object. Yeah,
Okay.
because that's where the lives are taken out, right?
Hmm. But are we still in scene UI or we are in the main scene?
Oh, the ghost is in the main UI or
Yeah,
main here.
because look,
Yeah,
yeah.
you'll see when we get to the behaviors
Okay, so we're going back to the main one. Click
for
on the
the ghost,
behavior,
and from there we can use the behavior called add to life indicator.
add to live.
There it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's
Ooh,
already selected the heart, so it's smart.
nice.
Yeah, and when you now select that behavior.
Or
Oh, I
are
mean
we?
select it. I mean select it, not
Oh, we're
connect it.
not select.
Select. And you can see right now it's adding lives, but you want it to subtract lives, so you can set it to -1. Yep.
Mm-hmm. And then I click on the heart here.
Oh, it's already selected.
Oh, the heart is already set. That's true.
Okay.
So
So now you
minus
want to connect it under the collided behavior.
true, because it's like when you collide, then something happens.
Oh, there's
Right?
already a collide behavior.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah.
I was like, oh, we need to do a new one.
Yep.
Okay.
Cool. And we want to make sure it only does it when the lives hit 0. So you have to move that load overlay behavior under the add to life indicator behavior.
Oh, okay.
So, oh wait, it's the other way around. It's the other way around.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. And then connect that. Yep. So if
Because
you
it's
look in the
like,
add to life indicator behavior,
mm-hmm.
you can see there's two toggles. There's one for event on full and one for event on empty. You want
Yeah.
it to trigger the load overlay behavior when it's empty, and it's already set to that, so you don't have to worry about it.
What would be like, oh, if we were to do event on pool, this would be used for what specifically?
This will be used for when you reach maximum lives. So right now, the maximum amount of lives you can have is 5. You
Okay,
can see it in the behaviors. We're
Yeah.
not adding lives, so we don't have to
Uh-huh.
worry about that.
Okay. Sounds good. So it's like
Unless you
when
want to
like
add like, unless you want to have a power up that adds a life to your thing.
yeah, I think it'll be cool. That's for next
Yeah, we can do that next.
yeah, but this makes sense, guys. Like when you're thinking about developing your game, it's really good way to because you start like thinking mathematically. Like, okay, if I touch this, how many lives do I have, right? So this is like a really good learning opportunity for you
Yeah,
guys and for me as well. So this is really cool. So because this behavior that we're adding, it's like decreasing the lives, then that's why we're choosing the event on empty because once foggy runs out of life then it's game over.
yeah,
Yeah, that makes sense. I'm just like explaining it just so the people can understand what we're doing because sometimes the
yes.
streams can be too fast for someone that is just learning.
All
I
right,
know sometimes I would follow like Hamid on his streams and then I'll be like, what? All right.
all right. Let's
Oh, should
try
we
it
try?
now. Yeah, let's
Let's
try
do
it. It should work. Oh,
it.
well, that's one
Okay.
life gone.
Okay.
Oh, two
I'm
lives gone.
totally losing on purpose, guys. Game over.
It works.
Yay! We did
Yay!
it. It looks so good. Okay.
That's the
Restart.
obstacles.
Good job. So we did a lot of things. So we did the scores, we did the obstacles, we did the background, we did the foggy moving like side to side. Now we can think about maybe adding like some cool effect of like right some cool effect that
Yeah.
a new
Okay.
feature has.
We can work on effects right now. So maybe
Yeah.
we can make it so when you touch the ghost object, it shakes the screen. How about that?
Oh yeah, that'd be cool because like oh spooky.
Because
Yeah.
it's like you ran over an obstacle and then your screen shakes.
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
that, like that.
Okay,
Let's
let's
do
do that. Okay, let's go into the behaviors
it. Okay,
of the ghost
behaviors.
object.
Oh, and the ghost.
And yep, and you want to get a behavior called shake screen.
Ooh, shake.
So this is something new you haven't seen yet. Yeah, there it is.
Ooh.
Yep. And then you can just connect it to under the collider behavior.
Okay.
You're done. That was it.
Okay, let's see.
You can change how intense it is
Ah, it shakes. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Ooh, it shakes the whole thing.
It doesn't shake the background though, which is kind of weird, but
Yeah,
it's
that's
cool though.
so cool. Guys, look at this. New feature. I think this is one of my favorite ones so far. Ooh, did you see how foggy moves?
Oh no, yeah.
Let's get Samuel to play this.
Yeah.
Samuel,
Right now.
play this. I want to see his
Let's go,
reaction
Samuel.
on this new flavor.
Let's see. So restart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to see like what was the new feature that we added.
Okay. Oh, I see. Oh,
Oh, you
that's
need to
cool.
lose. You need to lose.
Okay. Oh.
Ah, did you see how cool
Yeah,
is
that
it?
is so cool. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah, I got a score of 10. What did you get? What is your score?
I didn't check the score,
Ah,
but
okay,
I was
okay.
just checking the new feature. Did you
No,
notice
yeah,
how foggy?
that is
uh,
awesome. That's awesome. It's crazy how you guys are able to do that so quickly.
mm,
Like,
Good
that's
job,
just
guys.
like one behavior. That's
Wow.
crazy. Sorry, I just wanted to get his reaction.
yeah,
Is it
that
so?
was just with one behavior. Imagine how many things you can do with like 10
That's
or with
crazy.
100.
I really like it. My favorite, shaking. Shake. What is
Ooh.
this called?
All right.
Okay. Quit.
So that's like a very simple effect that you can add to your game. But there's like hundreds. You want
Yeah,
you want
guys.
you want to do the trail behavior?
I've been waiting for this
Yeah.
moment.
Yeah. All
Let's do
right.
it.
So maybe we can have a trail behind the bobas, right? And they can be
Yeah, yeah.
rainbow. All
I think
right.
it'd be
So
cool.
yeah,
But maybe we
let's
should
go
make
to the.
the boba. It's too big right now, right? The
Okay, you
collision.
can make it smaller if you want.
Yeah. Oh no, it is small. Okay, I thought it would be big.
Oh,
Okay.
I thought you were talking about like the size of it, like the object, and not the collisions.
No, no, I think the size is good. So
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
let's add behaviors.
Yep.
Okay.
And let's go to the effects tab, or you can
Mhm.
search it up. It's called Start Trails.
Okay. Start trails.
Yep,
Trail. Okay.
you're almost done already.
That is so easy.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's literally only one behavior, and it does everything for you.
I love those. Those are my favorite behaviors. Okay.
So let's go into the trail behavior,
Okay. Trail.
and you can see there are a lot of options.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so let's add like a the rainbow
Okay.
sprite. So let's press on the graphic at the
Oops.
bottom. Oh, that's you already selected
Okay.
boba.
So
So
rainbow behavior. Okay.
the graphic, no, above that, you can
Oh,
select the
graphic.
graphic you want to use. So you can use whatever you want for the trail. Which one you want to use?
Oh, so we use like we
You use a
select.
graphic for the trail.
Oh, okay, okay. So the graphic will be a rainbow then. Let's do
Yeah.
this one. Yeah.
Ooh, I'm not sure how that's gonna look, but we can try.
We can try this one. Maybe it will be better.
Maybe, maybe.
Let's see. I don't know. Let's just check it out and we test it.
Yeah, we can just test it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there are a lot of settings that you can customize. So you can change how long it takes for the trail to fade away. So that's the fade time up there.
Oh, the
There's
fade time.
also minimum segments. You don't have to worry about that. You can just keep it as it is.
Okay.
And there's a stroke, which is like how wide it is. So right now it's only 1 meter. You can set it to be bigger or smaller.
Mm-hmm.
We won't know for sure until we test it.
And then a color.
And then the
Okay.
color of the trail. So yeah, there are a bunch of other things. You don't have to get into it right now.
Okay, okay. Should we try it now or are we
We can
ready?
try it right now.
Okay, let's try it. So excited. Oh,
Yo, it looks
wow,
weird. I kind
wow,
of like that
wow.
though.
What is this? It looks so funny. Oh my god, it's like an explosion of that is so funny. Like I don't like how it looks, but
Yeah, that's why I was wondering. It's gonna look weird with this one because it's not straight. Um,
because it looks like the bubble tea is spilling. Doesn't it?
it kind of does. Yeah, let's
Right?
change the graphic of it. It's the graphic that's making it weird.
Mm,
We can use the path, the rainbow path thingy. The
yeah,
trail.
okay, let's try. Hopefully it won't be like weird because the
Yeah.
graph that's the same one as the background. So let's see. How would it be? Oh wow, I
Ooh, I
actually
like
like it
that.
much better. I like it much better. Yes. This
Yes.
I mean it looks so cool. This one looks like it's like a 3D thing, right?
Yeah, it kind of does. Yeah, that's actually
Wow.
cool.
I like it. It's like
You
a
can
mini
also have a
rainbow.
trail for the ghost too if you want. Go
Oh
crazy with it.
yes. But the question is what would it be the trail for the ghost?
It I don't know.
Let's
We can
see.
try any trail or
Yeah.
any yeah. I don't know. Let's see.
Trail.
Yep. Start
Star
trail.
trail. And I don't
They
have to connect this with the collision or anything, right?
yeah, it's just like that.
Nice. Okay, let's see the graphics for the.
Hmm.
Let's see the download. Maybe we have
Yeah, yeah.
something.
Let's see. Let's see.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Like, let's see. Like, maybe I have like an image graphics. Let's see. Camera roll. Allow. Let's see. What would be something that I can use?
It could literally be any graphic. So
Yeah. Okay. Let's see this like this one here.
okay.
Yeah.
It's gonna look weird, I already know, but let's try it.
Oh wait. Okay, so I go here. Start trio. Let's try. It's probably gonna look. Oh no, guys, we selected the wrong one. Just letting you know. I'm just not gonna put it for this. This is gonna be for next stream.
Okay,
We're gonna
okay, we don't
have
have to put a trophy ghost.
no, no. The ghost is not. The ghost don't need that
Yeah,
today.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Maybe next time. But I like it. That's a really cool behavior. Thank you for sharing.
Yes. Welcome,
Yeah.
welcome.
Yeah. All right. So this is we learned a lot today. So we learned like basically the life indicator. We learn about how to add like and the obstacle, right?
Yeah,
And we learn how to do the overlay. And these are really basics. And then we learn a new feature, the trail one, right? So that's
yes.
cool. What was the other thing that we're thinking about doing today? Like for the game.
Hmm.
We do want to make sure that is there like a feature that we can do to make it look like foggy is like running fog front like in Temple Run like the guys like I don't know like maybe it's because of the animation, right? Like we need to add an animation
Hmm.
for that.
I don't. There's not really a feature for that. You just have to like
Mm,
make the illusion yourself.
yeah.
So it
Oh
does look like it's like the things are falling towards the player. That's what it looks like to me.
yeah, I think our game is basically done, but one thing that we can do to make it look fun, it's like put put different levels or
We can
different
try.
levels.
We can try particle effects. You want to try
Yeah,
it?
yeah, particle effects is really good. Let's
Let's
do it.
try it. Let's try
Mhm.
it.
Should we do particle effects on the ghost? Because the ghost doesn't have
Yeah,
any.
sure, sure. We have to
any
make a particle first. So let's
yeah.
go to the assets.
Okay. Oops. Where is it?
Oh no no no! Go to the assets. Yep, and go to
Create.
create effects. It's under the import button, and we can either create a sound or a particle. But we want to make particles in this case. Yeah.
We do want to make particles because every time that we try to make a sound for the live stream never works. So we're focusing on the particles. Yes.
And there's a hundred. There's like so many options.
Ooh, gonna do a heart. A, A.
Oh, I can see the heart actually. That's cool.
Pride. Oh, a smile face.
Yeah yeah
Ah,
yeah.
ah.
Yeah.
So what are we feeling like? So there's fire, there's comet. Oh, this is cool.
Ooh, cool.
This is cool. A fountain. Ooh,
So
water,
these are
water,
just
water.
presets, but you can make any particles you want.
Explosion, explosion, explosion. Smoke.
Smoke. I'm
Woo!
kind of feeling smoke for the ghost actually.
Smoky. Pride.
Pride. I can see that. Yay.
Love you.
Love you. Aww.
Yes, I like the smoky, but let's see. Snow? Ew, snow.
Oh, you wanted to snow in this
No, I
scene?
don't want snow. I hate
Okay,
snow.
okay.
But I just like, I'm just having so much fun. Look at this one.
Oh, this one's
Shockwave.
fun.
Look at this. This is like, this would be good for some space thing. Portal.
Yeah.
Ooh, galaxy. Whee. Okay, which one is your favorite? So far, I like the galaxy and I like the smoke.
Ooh. For the ghost, I think the smoke's really cool.
Yeah, because it's like bad guy, right? So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay, let's go for the smoke.
And okay, you can change the settings on the right if you want.
So
There's
those
like
are the
there's like a bunch of settings. You don't have to worry about them if you think the particles are like good.
yeah.
If you like it how it is, you can just save it right away.
Okay, I'm gonna make it look like not as thick. I don't want it to make it look like that thick. I want to make it look smaller.
You want it to be a little smaller?
Yeah,
Okay, you
like
can you
on
can change
size.
the start size, the star and the end size. That's what those
Oh,
are.
now
So you
it's
can
too
make it
small.
small. Too small, yeah.
Okay, this is good. I like this.
Okay, and then you can save it.
Save it. Okay.
Press the save button at the
Save.
bottom. Yep, and you can
Smoke.
name it whatever you want.
Okay.
Cool. And now we can go back to the scene to add our particles.
Okay. You can
So
click
let's
on
go into ghost.
okay behaviors.
And just like the trail behavior, let's look for the particle behavior and just add it in. Start particle.
Trail or particle?
Particle.
Oops.
Trails and particles are different.
Yeah. Start
Yep.
particles.
Yep. It's just like the start trail behavior. You're literally almost done. See? What did I tell you?
This is so good. This is too good. Too good. So,
Yes.
are we done? So, okay.
Almost. You have to select the particles that you want to add.
Okay,
So let's
okay.
select that. And you see where the orange thing is? Yeah, select that and select the particle. And you're done.
Okay.
And there are a bunch of other settings, just like the trail behavior. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we can try it out right now.
Rotate. Okay, I'm gonna try. Look, this looks so ugly. No. What?
It does look weird because it's like on top of the ghost when it should be behind it. So we can change that right
Guys,
now.
this goat looks like he's already dead. You know what I mean? He's like falling on the sky. Like this is not the kind of enemy I want to have. Like I wanna like feel intimidated by this.
Oh my gosh. You see the particles at the bottom?
Guys,
They
this is
stay there too. They're supposed to disappear. We can fix
this
that. We can
is
fix that.
so funny. Like what? Like man, the dude is just falling on the sky like the angel. You know,
There's
like
like there's smoke coming out of his face.
oh my god, no, we don't. I don't like that. How do?
Okay. Right now, the on top toggle is on, so you can disable that.
Oh, okay.
Boom, you fixed it.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah, now it's
Oh, that
behind the
looks
ghost.
so much better. Yes. He looks like he's farting a little bit, right?
Yeah,
Look at Sam.
we can change it to be green.
Oh yeah.
Sam.
Oh yeah. What's going on over here? Oh yeah.
Do you like this
But
particle?
yeah, but on the ghost, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, right.
But yeah, what's happening at the bottom there?
I know what's happening on the bottom. It's like
So
some.
the ghost is actually still down there. So it's still playing the particle
Oh
effect.
right.
So we can
So
destroy the ghost object when it goes to the bottom, which is not
oh
that
yeah, I
hard.
see. So I see them like piling up down there.
Yeah, they're just staying down there. We have to make it so they disappear or they destroy themselves when they get down there. So
But I mean, it's pretty cool though.
yeah,
Yeah, you guys need to fix that logic, but
it's not hard to fix. I'll
yeah,
show you how to do it first.
But look at this game over.
That
Isn't
is-
it pretty?
that is so cool. I love that.
He's being nice, but
Yes.
all right. I think we got so much done today. We're basically like almost done the second part of the game, right?
Yeah.
So
Okay, let's fix that particle thing.
okay.
So,
Mhm.
you can see where under the move by there's nothing under it. Let's add a behavior called destroy object.
Under the move by, okay,
Yeah,
destroy.
destroy. Yep,
Mm-hmm.
and just add it under the move by.
Okay.
Yep, cool. Now what it does is when it finishes moving it, it will destroy itself. So the particles also go away with it. Let's try it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So do I have to go to destroy object and edit something or no? It's already
No,
there.
it's already like that. It's done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I like how it shakes.
Okay, now
Yeah. So
let's wait for the ghost to go at the bottom. Okay.
oops.
Wait, why are you trying to why are you trying to lose?
Win.
Why are you trying to lose? Yeah. Yeah, look, if it got fixed. See the particles are not there anymore.
That's good. No, I wasn't trying to lose. I sometimes not good. Ay, life is hard. Okay, this looks so much better. I like it. This game is
Yeah.
way more engaging now. It doesn't look as boring as before. Okay. And
Now
I've
I
already
know why it doesn't look 3D. It's because they're not scaling up. They're not getting bigger when they get close to the player because it's the same size.
Uh-huh.
So there's a way to do that
To make it 3D?
to make it appear 3D. It's not actually 3D, but to make it appear 3D.
Let's do
But
it. Let's do
but
it.
the problem is collisions aren't gonna work anymore.
Okay.
So I'm not sure if you want to do that or not.
So if you do this kind of thing that you're saying to make it look like 3D, then the collisions won't work?
Yeah, because when you're changing the scale of the object, there's no collisions.
Oh,
But there is a workaround. Um, like like we can change the scale of an object, but you can also like have another object behind it that will act as the collectible.
I see. I feel like let's maybe save that one for
Yeah, it's a
next
little
one.
complex.
Yeah, 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 because I feel like maybe like I think we cover like enough things today.
Yeah,
So yeah, I don't want to keep the stream too long also because sometimes like with the long streams like it's hard for you guys to keep watching and the attention span is low, but I think we did
yeah.
like really good today. Thank you, RX Code,
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
for
That was
helping me making this game and celebrate Pride Months together. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen with you guys and just say like, yeah, thank you. And if you guys want to hear more things for our live stream tutorial, or if you have other ideas for the hyperpad tutorials that we posted, let us know. Okay, so thank you
yeah.
guys for
Thank you
tuning in
so much.
and you go to the parade and celebrate and then go to a drag
Yeah.
queen show. And actually, I never been to a drag queen show. I need to go because it looks so fun. I only watch it on Netflix, so I gotta go. Here in Toronto is crazy. Like the parade, like I've been to one in Montreal before, and but I never been to the one in Toronto because it's like 2 hours away from where I am. But like it
Yeah.
looks like it's fun, you know. So I'm excited. All right,
Yeah.
guys. See you.
Bye.
Thank
Love you
you. Love is
guys.
love. Thank you.
Love you.
Bye.
That was